everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm doing a cube steak crock pot meal. I got this recipe from my Aunt Joan. I was talking to her on the phone the other day, and she told me about a good crock pot meal that I might like to try because she knows I love crock pot meals. And so these are the ingredients that you need in it. You need beef broth, cream of mushroom soup, cream of celery, Lipton's onion soup mix, and I'll spray my crock pot. And you'll also need cube steak. And I think she used about 3 packs, but she has a bigger family than I do. It's just me and Kevin, so I'm only going to use 2. And I also took advantage of the 5 packs of meat for $20 deal, because there was 2 other recipes that I have in mind to do, and so I got me some pork ribs, some stew beef, and so anytime I can take advantage of any kind of deal, I will. So, all right, let me get started. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to flour my cube steak and brown it, and then I'll be back. All right, I have my oil in my pan over here getting hot, and I've already peppered and salted my cube steak, and so I'm going to batter it. I think I'm just going to use my hands. They've already been washed. I'm making a crock pot meal today because me and Kevin has got some things that we've got to do today. I always like to have one ready when we have a lot to do, because I don't usually want to cook when I come back. Okay. All right, so I've got my cube steak battered, so I'm going to put a few pieces in my pan, and then I'm going to go wash my hands. I don't want to cook these completely. I just want to cook them until they get a little brown. Alright, my cube steak is done now, and so now I'm going to mix up my gravy mix. I'm going to put in my cream of celery soup. I hope everyone is having a good day today. Here in Georgia, we've had some rough weather last couple of days, but not as much as some of the people over in Alabama and Mississippi and Louisiana and those parts, but we got through it pretty good. But it's cold and overcast here today, so this meal will be good a good and hearty meal today. Okay. Now then I'm going to put in this cup of beef broth. Let's stir this up. I'm going to go get my whisk. If y'all see tears running down my face, you'll know it's because these onions are right in front of me. Okay. Okay, I got that stirred up now. So I'm going to put some of these onions on the bottom of my crock pot. I'm going to move these out of the way. I'm going to put these onions on the bottom of my crock pot, and I did spray it. Put a few of them there. And so now then I'm going to put in my cube steak. Put some more onions down. Okay. Put some more onions down. So now I'm going to put in my gravy. Now then I'm going to put in my onion soup mix. Alright, these spices in this really do smell good. Also, you don't want to stir it after you put your Lipton soup mix on it. And I'm going to cook this on low for about 6 hours. So I'm going to turn my crock pot on, and me and Calvin is going to head out the door. Okay, hi everyone again. I'm back, and me and Calvin has got through running all of our errands, and this house really did smell good when we walked in. And this crock pot meal, I'm sure it's going to be really good. This meal, when we came in the door, really did smell good. And this was my Aunt Joan's recommendation, and I know this is going to be a really good recipe. So let me plate it up. That gravy in it looks really good. Should have got me a paper towel. Let's see. I think I will get a paper towel. It's hard to think of everything when you're doing a video. Okay. See, this is a small piece right here. I need one little more small piece. That one right there might. I have to let this be Helen's plate.
That'll be okay with me.
I'm going to get some of this gravy. That's the good part. Okay. I'm plating up carrots and cream potatoes. Now I'm putting in my cream potatoes. This is going to be a really good meal. Put a little black pepper on my cream potatoes. A little parsley. Okay. Here's what my plate looks like, and I'm ready to eat. Okay, I'm ready to do the taste test. That's a good sign. It cut really good. Means it's going to be really tender. That is really delicious. You know, sometimes when you go to diners and you get a plate of cube steak with gravy on it, it's better if you cook it at home. Sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full. But if y'all make this recipe, y'all are definitely going to be pleased. This recipe was really a good one, and I know we will be making this one a lot. And I hope y'all try it. And I hope that everyone is doing fine in what part of the country you're in. In Georgia, the sun just came out, and so everything's better when the sun's shining. So, y'all, everyone, do what you love and love what you do, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Lay here on the grass,
of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true.